Okay, so in this video we're going to be doing our first print text. So for now we're going to be doing it on Jupyter. So here first let's take a notebook here. Okay, so here we have our notebook. So to have something written here, to have text written here, or to print something in Python, we just need to write in print. So I'm writing in print, print. There you go. Then we need to give the first parenthesis. There we go. Once you give the first parenthesis, Python, the Jupyter, the notebook workspace actually provides the whole parenthesis for you, and then you can use one of the colons or both. And once you have done that, Jupyter is also helping you to do that as well. So instead of hello world, let's do something new. Let's say learning Python. Learning Python. Okay, there we go. We're done. Now we just need to click on run. And as you can see, the input was print learning Python and the output is learning Python. So it has printed what we have written there. Now instead of clicking on the run button, what else we could have done is let's give it another print first parenthesis, and then let's write in my name here. There you go. Now instead of clicking on run, what I'm doing is I'm going to hit on shift and enter. So shift enter. There you go, my name here. Okay, so that is how we can run the codes here. And then as you can see, this is also the input. Now if you do not want an input here and you want a note, right, there are times when we would want notes instead of input. So we just need to change the code from here to, let's say, markdown. We want to mark down, let's say this is not a complicated code, just print. Okay, now this is not an input, so this is just going to stay as markdown. And if I do a shift enter, I can see that we have gone back to another input code, and this is just a small note. So whenever we're going to be working on a difficult codings and we need notes to make sure what this is so that we do not forget ourselves, or if we pass on the code, the person who's getting it may not get confused. So that is why we need notes as well. So instead of markdown, you can go back to code as well, so that this is now turned into a code and I want it to be a markdown again. Okay, so that is how we can do that. Other than that, we have help here. So from help we can look at the keyboard shortcuts, and we can even take the user interface tool. So let's take a look at the keyboard shortcuts. So there are a lot of keyboard shortcuts here. We'll need to take a look at them to better understand keyboard shortcuts. So yeah, that was it for this video. Thank you very much for watching.